Hi guys, before we get into the video, let me introduce about ourselves. We are a couple of guys who has gone through many scenarios while we implement practical problems using Arduino, ESP, Raspberry Pi, Java, MQTT and various other technologies. Let's start with Arduino. Arduino is a hardware where we can upload our own logics. Arduino is not like 8051 or 8085 microcontroller or the processor where we need to program mnemonic codes and we need to test it through the registers, and it will not be like that where you can code using some high level language and you can test yourself what are the things that you need. If you want to program Arduino, you just need a board along with its data cable and just basic program skills, and you may require basic electricity knowledge, how the lights are working and how the LEDs are working, what is plus, what is minus, what is AC and what is DC. I think you guys all know about it. If you guys have that basic knowledge base, I think we are good to go ahead with Arduino. Here we have the sample to blink the LED based on our logic. And here we can see the just bunch of lines with just two methods. It's actually basic, and this IDE is Arduino IDE, which is provided by Arduino guys and who is released this Arduino hardware as well. So if we are going there, go to files and examples, you can find n number of built-in examples. Here I have selected this blink, and this is the program. We are just blinking the default LED based on the delay 1000 milliseconds. Basically, it's 1 second. I've embedded the reference video, which is the output for the mentioned program, which is actually Blink. But this simple Blink can do any automation. Like it can turn on your lights, fans, refrigerators, or whatever the appliance that you have in your home based on your schedule, timer, and also if you have network modules attached with your Arduino, you can control your Arduino with any common protocols which is connected to the internet, such as HTTP, MQTT, or from your own web server or hosted server as well. Here you guys are seeing the practical example of how am I controlling a single bulb using the blink program. And whenever the blink is, the LED is going to glow, the bulb is also is going to glow. So in the same way, we can control any appliance that is available in our home. In the next video, we will cover about how can we add any connectivity to the Arduino board so that you can connect using your mobile via Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or any other communication modes. And there are so many open source libraries out there to enable the connectivity to your Arduino board using Bluetooth module, Wi-Fi module, or any such radio frequency module. We will cover all available RF modules that are supported by Arduino in the next video, and we'll see about the practical implementations and the libraries that can be used